Hey there. Welcome to a tutorial on Rumble Studio. Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about audience submissions. Audience submissions are when a user can submit their question to a creator, and the creator can pre screen all of the questions and then apply them to their live stream. This is a great way to engage more with your audience. So you'll see here on the left side of your screen, I'm within Rumble Studio. And in the right side of my screen, I'm just on a Rumble channel. The right side of the screen is going to be the user experience, and the left side is going to be the creator experience. So, being the creator, the first thing we want to do is go to studio.rumble.com and then select the little book icon. This will take you into your library, and then you'll see a section that says Audience Submissions. Here, you'll want to select audience submissions, and it'll say you have no submissions yet. You'll need to enable this and turn it on so that you can get access to the link that you'll then share with your audience. So I'll go ahead and grab this, and I'm actually going to take this to my locals community where I started to draft a post, and I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to share it with my supporters of my community. So this is going to pin to the top of my newsfeed, and it's only going to be viewable to those who are paying me monthly or annually in my locals community. So if I turn on my members view here, you'll see that this is a supporter only post. It's behind the paywall, so only those that are paying me can get access to this link. And this kind of locks it down a little bit for you so you don't get so many submissions at one time. We're going to take that link here and we're going to go to our user view and we're going to put that in here and we're going to actually be a guest. So, this is the flow that guests will see when they're ready to submit their question. It'll ask us to allow our permission. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. And you get to see the top of my forehead. Great. There we are. Now, we're going to click start recording and it'll give me a countdown. So, being the user, I get to ask any questions that I want to the creator. I have up to 60 seconds to submit my question. And when I'm done, I'll select stop. Then they can preview their submission. And when they're ready, they can submit it or they can record their question again. So, we'll go ahead and submit. Now, on the creator view on the left side of our screen, we'll go ahead and give this a refresh. And now we should see a submission from an audience member. Great. We can play this back so we can preview the submission. Amazing. If we like what they submitted and we want to play this back in our stream, we'll go ahead and save this, or we can delete it. Once we save it, it'll be viewable in your media library. As you can see here, I have a series of guests that have submitted questions. Now, if I want to make sure that I'm not continuing to receive submissions, I can go ahead and disable this link here. Now let's go ahead and create a live stream. I've now created a live stream within Rumble Studio. If you don't know how to do this, check out another one of my videos that explains the process. Here, we're live, as you can tell by the end stream button at the top left of our screen. We're going to go ahead and toggle to Studio. Let's say I've been live for a few minutes, and now I'm into the segment where I'm going to start reviewing my users' questions. We'll toggle to Media, and then choose the guest I want to play back. Great, it played it back. If I'm on camera, you would continue to see me. I could address their question. Then I could move on to the next caller, select their video, and repeat the whole process. And when I'm done with my stream, I'd end stream, wrap up, and leave. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about audience submissions in Rumble Studio.